Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add effects in CapCut on your smartphone. Whether you want to make your videos more dynamic or just add some fun touches, CapCut has a variety of effects to choose from. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the CapCut app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on New Project to start a new video editing project. Or you can even choose an existing project. For now, I'll select my existing project. Here you can see the effects icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. On the effects menu, there are different categories. In order to apply effects to the video, tap on video effects. Here you can browse through different categories of effects. You can choose what you might like. You can just tap on it. It'll be applied to your video. How are you doing today? You can tap on any effect to preview it on your video. After you select the effect, you can tap on the effect again and you can adjust its intensity and other things. So once you like the effect, tap on the check mark to apply it. Here you can see the check mark icon, tap on it. To change the duration, drag the ends of the effect in the timeline to the desired length. You can also layer multiple effects for a more unique look. You can try and experiment the sort of effects you might like. Once you're happy with the effects you've added, preview your video by tapping the play button. How are you doing today? And if everything looks good and you're happy with the result, you can tap on the export button at the top right corner of your screen to save the video on your device. And that's it. You've successfully added effects to your video using CapCut app on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.